Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's make an irresistible, beach-style fish fry with a special homemade masala that delivers authentic coastal flavors, crispy and golden on the outside, juicy and tender on the inside. Every bite is bursting with smoky spices and delicious aroma. This simple recipe brings the taste of your favorite beachside fish fry right into your kitchen. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're using Boal Fish, or atu vala in Malayalam. You can use any fish of your choice: seerfish, pomfret, sardine, mackerel, or kingfish all work beautifully. First, let's prepare our signature beach-style masala. Heat a pan over a medium flame. Add 50 grams of Urad Dal, 30 grams of Chana dal, 25 grams of coriander seeds for a rich, earthy aroma, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, the secret behind that spicy coastal kick, 1½ teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, which adds a deep, slightly smoky flavor, 30 grams of raw peanuts to give the masala a rich, nutty texture. Roast everything gently on a medium flame until light golden, crispy, and wonderfully aromatic. Your kitchen should be filled with an irresistible roasted fragrance. Once perfectly roasted, transfer everything to a plate and let it cool. In the same pan, add 8 dried red chilies. Roasting the chilies separately makes them extra crispy and brings out their vibrant color without burning the other spices. Once roasted, transfer them to the same plate. Add rock salt to taste. Allow everything to cool until just slightly warm. Now grind all the roasted ingredients into a fine aromatic masala powder. Transfer this beautiful, freshly ground masala to a plate. Just one smell, and you'll know this fish fry is going to be unforgettable. Heat a pan and add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let the oil become nice and hot. Now it's time to coat our fish with this magical masala. Take each fish piece and generously coat both sides with the masala, pressing it gently so every bite is bursting with flavor. Using skinless fish makes it much easier for the masala to stick evenly and creates a perfect coating. Once the coconut oil is hot, carefully place the masala-coated fish into the pan. Fry on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until the outside turns beautifully golden brown and crispy, while the inside stays tender, juicy, and flaky. The roasted spices and coconut oil combine to create that authentic beachside aroma you'll never forget. Once perfectly fried, remove the fish and keep it aside. In the same flavorful oil, quickly fry a handful of fresh curry leaves until crisp. Serve the fish hot with crispy fried curry leaves, and enjoy every crunchy, juicy bite bursting with rich coastal flavors. Finish by sprinkling a little of the freshly ground masala powder over the fish for an extra burst of smoky, spicy goodness. And there you have it, our irresistible beach-style fish fry, coated in a flavorful homemade special masala. Crispy, golden, and packed with bold coastal flavors. Every bite is smoky, spicy, and incredibly juicy. Enjoy a restaurant-style seafood experience right at home. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.